Hello guys, Peter Mbiria here. So this is the bike that I've converted from quad carburetors to full EFI, and what I've been doing today is replacing this battery charge regulator. So this is the original one, the one that was there before, and the problem it had is it was overcharging the battery to approximately 18 volts, and that could easily destroy part of the electronics and actually the battery. So what happens is most systems use three-phase for charging purposes. So you get three-phase AC from the crankshaft armature. Well, stator, there's stator and armature, and then you get three-phase going into the rectifier. It's converted back to DC and then regulated so that now it doesn't overcharge. So here we have my meter. It's 12.79. Just turn on the bike and then start it. So it will start charging as expected, and the maximum I've seen is 14.8. It is about very okay and maintains there. It is what I wanted. So to continue charging, so now that I've run it for quite some time, I'm confident with this regulator, and I'll just keep it as I continue working on this wiring here. Yep. If I increase the RPMs a bit, that is very okay. So this one, either I disassemble it or just keep it. I don't know for what purpose, or just dispose it. But for now I'm happy with the results. Now I can proceed to do the rest of the work, making the wiring look neater. Yep. Thank you guys. Thank you.